जय श्रीमन्नारायण. 259th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Vishnave Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are all over. You are pervaded everywhere. O Srimannarayana, I also realize that all your pervasiveness is only to be in very, very close proximity with all your devotees to bless them for every moment, to bless and to give your companionship to your devotees always, forever. Only for that reason, with all your compassion, with so much of anugraham, you made yourself pervaded everywhere so that you are available to all the devotees forever. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana Srimannarayana Narayana Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Bharata is sitting right next to Kaikamma. Kaikamma is asking, "Oh Bharata, how many days it is now ever since you started from there? How many takes have taken your travel? Oh Bharata, are you getting so much tired? Are you tired so much? Oh Bharata, is grandfather, is father-in-law, is everyone doing good? Is uncle doing good?" Like that Bharata is asked by Kaikamma. She is also asking, "Let me know all the details about your entire trip." Like that Kaikamma asked Bharata. Then Bharata is saying that, "Oh my dear mother, yes, it took 7 days for my travel to reach here. And everyone there doing good. Father-in-law and grandfather, they are all doing good. Grandfather and father-in-law gave so much of wealth to me. I loaded all that wealth in the chariots, and those chariots are on their way. I asked them to come slow. I came fast because messengers told me to come fast. That is why I told them to come later, and I came very, very fast. By the way, oh my dear mother, where is father? I noticed most of my father's best friends on my way, they are not looking so happy. What happened? I went to father's building, father's palace, Maharaja Bhavanam first. I did not see father over there. So I thought maybe father is here. So I came here. I don't see Maharaju, my father, here also. My dear mother, probably my father is in Kausalya Devi's Bhavanam. Is that right? Please tell me." Like that Bharata, when he asked Kaikamma, Kaikamma saying that, "Oh Bharata, ya gatihi sarvabhutanam tam gatim te pita gataha. As and how the finally what happens to each and every entity on this earth, that is what happened to your father also. Like this, Kaikamma conveyed message to Bharata about Dasaratha Maharaju's death. Bharata immediately understood what exactly happened, and he started crying a lot with outpouring of grief from within his heart. He fell down, papata sahasa bhumau pitrusoka balarditaha. With so much of grief, he fell down on the floor, and he is now talking to Kaikamma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow with meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 28th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Vrushahi Vrushabho Vishnuhu Vrushaparva Vrushodaraha Vardhano Vardhamanascha Viviktaha Shrutisagaraha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman-Narayana. An important announcement. Let us all do Sri Srinivasa Kalyanam, Sri Venkateswara Kalyanam in our homes. It is nothing but we are completely giving away our responsibility to Sri Venkateswara Swami. That is what is Kalyanam. And taking the reference from Shastram, according to the mantram, we are completely surrendering and dedicating to Sri Venkateswara Swami. That is Kalyanam. That too we are going to be doing whenever Sri Venkateswara Swami's birth star, Shravana Nakshatram is there. So that is what we are going to be doing. This is according to our Bharat time, 24th October, Saturday morning 8:30 a.m. Morning 8:30, the Kalyanam starts. 24th Saturday 8:30 according to Bharat time. According to America Central time, 23rd October, Friday, night 10. So anyone can do that. Anyone can join this Kalyanam. Even single people also can join, and in any kind of circumstances you can definitely join, because you will be completely meditating upon it, right? And those who wants to join, they can keep these things ready. Turmeric powder, kumkum, chandan, and one kankanam for each person, and one kalasam, water in the kalasam, tirdham in the kalasam, one plate, few fruits, few flowers, and few akshata, one coconut, and some prasadam you can prepare and keep it ready. And those who wants to do Kalyanam to their own home Perumal, if they want to follow me, along with, in addition to what I just said, you may please keep one Yajnopavitam ready, and the mixture of honey and yogurt, and 4 balls of Jalakara Bellam, jaggery and Jalakara Zira, and Mangala Sutram, 2 Mangala Sutrams for 2 Sri Devi and Bhudevi Matas. So you can keep these things ready. It will take about 1 to 1.5 hour program, no matter how much ever the night it is. But during Brahmotsavam of Venkateswara Swami and exactly at the time of Shravana Nakshatram, having this Kalyanam done in our homes definitely brings so much of prosperity to each and everyone, and we are completely going to be giving away our responsibility to Sri Venkateswara Swami. From then onwards, we do not have to worry about anything. So make sure you pass this message to all your known people. More people does. This is what brings Loka Kalyanam also. So do not hesitate to send this link to all your known people and let all of us join. It is not it's very easy to join. It is just Gattus Karishya Vachanantava YouTube live will be there 5 minutes before the program. The live will start. You can send links to all your known people and let us all join. It is more about how we are meditating upon this. It is all that kind of program. You will definitely enjoy. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha.